Okay, so this is the first of our operations management videos. There's 3 different methods of producing products. The first one is job production. Now, the types of products that are used this way are ones that are customised to the customer. So it's exactly what the customer wants. Now, an example of that is a wedding dress. So for instance, this is my wedding dress. It was drawn for me and nobody else has got that. Okay, so it's like a one-off. So examples then would be a wedding dress or a wedding cake or a customised Dell laptop, because it's just specific for that customer. So you can have a Dell laptop, but one that you've chosen the colour for, and they've got a print on it because you wanted it. So it's customised. Okay, so that's the first type of production you need to know about. The second one is batch production. And batch production is where they make exactly the same, but loads of them. Okay, exactly the same, but loads of them. Now, an example, a brilliant example, is wallpaper. Okay, so they make a whole load of wallpaper in one go, and it's all exactly the same. Okay, they don't continuously keep making that forever, but it's a load all in one go. The next one is something called flow production, and that is where products will flow down a factory production line, and they will flow, and there'll be loads and loads of them all in one go, and they will flow on to another part. So for example, let's take milk. Okay, so this carton would be in a factory, and it would flow down a factory production line, and it would flow on to the next thing where milk would be put into it, and then it would flow on to the next part where the lid would be put on it, and then it would flow on to another part which would then be put into a crate, and then it would be ready. And it's like mass production almost. Everything is all the same, but it flows down the factory and flows down the factory production line. So we've got things like Coca-Cola. We've got things like milk, okay, that flow down the factory production line. And they're your 3 different ways of producing products.